keeping clean on the road, this is what we use. We've got the Milwaukee 18V vacuum cleaner. It's great because everything else we got is Milwaukee, so all the batteries slide straight in. Off you go. It's got these great attachments. The broom head. Use that for inside the van, and then hose. Handy if you've got to clean out the car, any nooks and crannies. And a little attachment as well. Good bit of kit. Much like your Dyson, you sort of empty it out. Got a filter in here which you take out, clean out. And that's about it, not much else to it. So yeah, 180 bucks, 5-year warranty. This is actually our second one. First one failed after 6 months, and brand new one. No questions asked, and we're on the road again. Another thing is, you got this little lock bit here, so you pull the trigger flat out, you can lock it on. Makes life a lot easier. So, is it better than a Dyson? Don't know. I'm not a vacuum guru, but I like it because it's Milwaukee. We've already got the batteries, and it cleans.